Assalamu alaikum. Today I discuss about a research paper. The research paper name is a hybrid software process management support model. I am Nadine Brian. There is a abstract of this research paper. The challenge faced in managing agile software development and the solution in the form of multi-agent model called agent object model AGOMO. And the model aims to support management in the continuous improvement of product quality. Basically, the AGOMO model is reproducing a typical medium-sized project development developed using a hybrid methodology. Introduction these papers. Multi-agent approach in agile. Basically it's discuss about two process: multi-agent approach in agile and hybrid software process model, and estimation and planning tools for hybrid software processes. The paper argues that using a multi-agent model for a planning software process would allow for more accurate analysis of the impact of change and more effective planning. Challenge of agile approach. There are two types of challenge of agile approach. One, limited predictability, and second, the project is not progressing in the right direction. Limited predictability, basically developers cannot accurately estimate the efforts, and the project is not progressing in the right direction because it is assumed that the client's requirements are always changing. There is a Agoma model implementation design. Has some input variables and output variables. First, the input variables such as project teams, project scope, project plan, and methodology. Then is process Agoma model by Agoma model. Here is iteration activities follows, current activities, unfinished tasks, Scrum events. Then it gives a output variable work done and X schedule. Here is a comparison of traditional and agile aspect of the IMS project. The two types of approach, elements of traditional approach and element of agile approach. There is a dividing the project into planning and implementation, and the element of agile approach in disciplinary project team organized workshops. The experiment. The GIS system data was pre-processed for an experiment using manual and automatic analysis of data in a relation database. The Agama model simulation replicated the actual process with execution times of tasks determined by internal model parameters. The parameters were adjusted by comparing simulation result to actual result and correcting value. Here is the result of the experiment. There are two types of the process, of the result, the result, the duration of the process, and the project budget. The duration of the process, actually two process, actual process and replicated. There is the started date and end date. And the project budget is the second aspect compared in the actual project, and the replicated one was the budget. In these papers have a feature work. This testing the predictive one feature work is testing the predictive potential of the Agamo model for small and medium-sized hybrid project, and the another feature work is developing more extensive models of team members' competences to improve software quality. At last, the conclusions of this paper: the Aguma agent object model in a multi-agent system was constructed and implemented in an experiment using actual development process, data from a medium-sized modern project, and the experiments showed a high degree of accuracy in replicating the project's financial flow and the budget. Thank you all.